Hello everyone, it's me Kashmala Ali from Train Machine Models. Today we are going to discuss a function in our Python programming series. We will discuss how we define a function and how we call a function in a Python language. So let's get started. So we are in our editor now. First of all, what is function? Function is a reusable block of code which performs specific functionality. Just suppose we are creating an application and there are some piece of line which you want to execute again and again. So we don't write that lines again and again in our application. However, we create a function for it and we call that function again whenever we want to execute that piece of code in our application. Okay, now discuss the basic syntax of function. First of all, we write a keyword def, then we write the name of a function, print name, and then parenthesis which is followed by a colon, and after that here we write a actual functionality which you want to execute whenever we call this function. I write print now. If I call this function like this, and hit the run button, so in print screen it print the train machine models. I have called the function print name, and whatever functionality is defined in a print name function, it performs the functionality. Take another function like addition, in which you will learn how we pass parameters or an arguments in a function. Like I have write addition number, name of a function, and here I define two parameters. Now, if I want to perform an addition in my program, then I simply call the function and pass two numbers to it, and it prints the addition of two numbers on the screen like this. So in a screen it's print a 9 addition of two numbers, sum of two number 5 and 4, which is 9. This is the way we define a function in our Python program. And how we call the function like this, we will call print name and addition of a numbers function in our program. This is the way we call our function. Now one more thing, which is a return keywords in Python which we use in our function, like this addition number function. If I want to return the sum of two number and save its result to any variable, then I simply write return Okay, keep in mind, whenever a function is returned something, then we have to store the result of a function in some variable. Like here, I define a variable sum, and sum equal to add sum of two number, and then print sum on screen. So as you have seen, the output is 9. It's same, but in the previous one we are printing the result inside a function, and in this one we are printing the result of a function in our main program. So in this video we have learned how to define a function, how to call a function, how to use a return inside a function. If you have any query, any confusion, then ask me in a comment box. I will reply all of your queries. And if you like the video, then hit the like button, subscribe the channel. See you in our next video.